ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తూ నా యొక్క చిన్న
750.
చివరిగా సార్ మేము
750.
నియోజకవర్గ ప్రజల తరపున మంత్రి
We are from Hyderabad and our company name is Induscrop Private Limited. We all are we have biofertilizers and micronutrients. especially this foster. This is a micronutrient containing of zinc, iron, magnesium and boron, and it is useful for all cash crops, and it is mainly helping for plant growth and development, and reduces the improvement in diseases and crop yield, and it is mainly useful for premature fruit dropping and flower dropping. एक क्रॉप में 4 माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स है, वो है जिंक, आयरन, मैग्नीशियम एंड बोरॉन.
Which crop you are using this one?
It is useful for all crops and mainly for cash crops, chili, cotton and citrus and all vegetables. It is humic potassium humulate flakes, and it is water soluble. You can mix in 250 ml for 1 acre.
Which major crop?
Major crops, all cash crops.
All cash crops.
It is useful for all crops, and it is useful for high growth, high yield and growth.
Generally high yield.
High yield and growth. All for all crops. And this all are water soluble. You can mix it from 250 ml per acre.
This is all are fertilizer.
NPK. These are secondary micronutrients. All are water soluble, and it is mixed 250 1 kg for 1 acre. And this is a small packet. It is useful for half kg per 1 acre.
Half kg per 1 acre. Generally they are using most all crops. Generally
Yeah, all crops.
This is boron. This is your company.
This is a Induscrop Private Limited Raitu Seva Samiti number. You can call anytime, and if you have any doubts, you can ask, and we will.
Any problem?